Looking for some easy beginner sewing project to get you started on sewing and be comfortable on your sewing machine?
Hi, I'm Joe. Here are 5 tutorials that are perfect for beginners to learn to sew on. The first one we will be explore is this exciting and fun multifunctional cape. The second piece is the polka dot rectangular cardigan or vest. The third one is none other than the sexy black lycra skirt, followed with the feminine white lace skirt, and the final piece will be an elegant double-sided cape vest. Please download the drafts for reference and do take note that different fabrics will create a different effect should you choose to go with fabrics outside of the tutorial. By following me every step of the way, this project will be made easy. Most of these 5 easy beginner sewing projects are just straight lines. Yes, just straight lines and some simple skills. We will also learn how to sew French seam and lace material.
I hope you love this fun and simple sewing project. And I'd like to hear which one are you going to try out? See you in the class.